My dear people of Rivers State, the President-elect of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, will pay a 2-day official visit to Rivers State from tomorrow, Wednesday, 3rd to 4th of May 2023, to commission the Rumuokwuta Flyover and the ultramodern Magistrates Court Complex, Port Harcourt, respectively. Recall that during his presidential campaign visit to Rivers State, I indicated our intention to have the President-elect commission some of our strategic projects after the general elections and sent him a formal invitation, which he graciously accepted. The proposed visit to Rivers State is Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu's first official visit to any state since he emerged as the President-elect of this great country. Furthermore, by this visit, the President-elect will join the long list of distinguished Nigerians who we have hosted to either flag off or commission landmark projects in Rivers State. For us, it's an honor to the government and people of Rivers State to host the President-elect on this historic visit. Consequently, I urge all Rivers citizens to come out en masse to receive our President-elect, His Excellency Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and display the traditional Rivers hospitality as he commissions these legacy projects to God's glory and advancement of our development. Given this, I hereby declare Wednesday, 3rd of May, 2023, a public holiday to enable the people of Rivers State to receive our President-elect rousingly. Furthermore, all shops and business premises along Rumuola to Rumuokwuta roads in Obiakpo local government area of the state shall remain closed from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Wednesday, 3rd of May, 2023. I urge all labor unions and security agencies to comply with this closure order. Once again, I call on Rivers people to come out in great numbers and give our amiable President-elect a rousing welcome during his visit. Thank you and God bless Rivers State.